The HOVERAir, being the world's first 8K flying action camera, boasts a range of impressive features. 1. 8K video resolution. With its high-resolution 8K video recording, this tool can capture exceptionally clear footages and pictures. 2. 4K 60fps video, to make the movement sequences in the air smooth. The HOVERAir has the ability of shooting 4K videos at 60p. 3. 1-inch sensor. This is because the sensor is large. The quality of images is enhanced, especially at night. 4. Gimbal stabilization. For the stabilization of the footage, it carries a 3-axis gimbal. It is thus capable of capturing clear and stable footage during active maneuvers. 5. Obstacle avoidance. Sophisticated sensors make it easy for HOVERAir to push away from the obstacles and move on safely. 6. Long flight time. The battery power increases flight time. This means that you can take more footage. 7. Intelligent flight modes. Built-in pre-configured flight modes like Follow Me, Orbit, and Point of Interest. These modes allow for easy shooting of movie-like scenes. 8. Remote control. With the help of a smartphone or a dedicated controller, the HOVERAir can also be controlled. 9. Voice control. They can utilize voice. This allows them to run particular aspects of the drone without having to use their hands. 10. Water resistance. It is water resistant. This means it can be used under light rain and splashing, particularly during outdoor activities. Here are some of the pros and cons of the HOVERAir. Pros. High-quality footage. The resolution of the video is 8K, which makes the picture to have a very high-quality picture. Stable footage. The stabilization of the gimbal removes any unnecessary shaking that comes with handheld shooting. It makes the videos professional. Live streaming lets you share the experiences and as they happen around the globe. Obstacle avoidance. It has been proven that it lowers the chances of accidents and damage. Long flight time gives enough opportunity to give shots. Cons. Price. It is true that since the HOVERAir is the first of its kind, travel by the HOVERAir will initially be costly. Size and weight. It is different from typical drones. It'd be considerably larger and heavier than those commonly seen. Battery life. Something that makes me believe that is the extended flight time. This is a result of a sacrifice made to battery life. Complexity. Some of the advanced features when operating a drone can be complex, a little complex to master at first. Overall, the HOVERAir can be cited as an innovative device that provides high-quality images and functions. Nevertheless, it goes without saying that several features should be taken into consideration. These features include the cost, the size, and the level of detail. Common users do not have to spend their money on such a drone. If you are a professional videographer, the HOVERAir be your program. It is also suitable for a videography enthusiast who wants to capture the best aerial videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.